You are looking at the most dangerous thing in nature. We sometimes forget just how scary the world really is. But I'm about to remind you with these terrifying natural phenomena. From volcanic lightning to tornadoes over the ocean, nature can truly be awe-inspiring and deadly. First, we have to look at waterspouts. This natural phenomenon occurs out in the ocean and sea. When it happens, it really looks like the end of the world is upon us. It almost doesn't look real. But what's actually going on here? These waterspouts are actually tornadoes that form over water. When this happens, it creates a water tornado. Now, it may look kind of cool, but if you ever see this, you should run fast. These can be deadly, and over the years have taken many lives. They're also known for downing helicopters and planes, and even sinking large boats. This makes waterspouts one of the most deadly natural phenomena. The scary part is how common these actually are. Most people who work at sea have seen one of these at some point. Luckily, they often happen far out into the ocean and away from people and vehicles. But every now and then, a pilot or a captain gets unlucky and passes away. There are actually two types of these waterspouts: fair weather waterspouts and tornadic waterspouts. Fair weather waterspouts thankfully don't make it to land, meaning they're only dangerous to ships, planes, and swimmers. But tornadic waterspouts are far scarier. These start as tornadoes and then turn into waterspouts as they approach water. This means they can sometimes go back on land. When they return to land, the water stays spinning in the air. This causes a massive amount of damage. Tornadic waterspouts are basically 20 times heavier than a normal tornado, which is why some people nickname them super tornadoes. Now we have to look at volcanic lightning. What's scarier than volcanoes or lightning? Well, put the two together and you get volcanic lightning. But what is this rare and frightening natural phenomenon? When volcanoes erupt, they create a massive amount of energy. An eruption produces a massive amount of smoke and ash. These ash particles rub against each other, creating friction. This friction causes electrons to transfer. The positively charged particles then create balls of lightning. Volcanic lightning is essentially bolts of lightning shooting out of a volcano. It may look awesome, but it's also very scary and incredibly deadly. If you were struck by one of these, you wouldn't just be electrocuted, but burned as well. To make things even scarier, volcanic lightning is radioactive. Radioactive isotopes can be found in volcanoes, meaning these electric charges are radioactive. It's dangerous, but many volcano researchers still seek these phenomena out. They're rare and look amazing. They're also somewhat mysterious. We know how they're created, but we don't fully understand why. That's because they're too rare to be thoroughly researched.